Hello and welcome to the Advanced Quantum Leadership course. Let's face it, leadership today is tougher than ever. Markets shift overnight, organizations evolve by the minute, and complexity has become the new normal. The classic models of the past, predict, plan, control, no longer keep up. But there's the good news. Quantum leadership offers a new path. It's a way of leading that embraces uncertainty instead of fearing it. Rooted in both quantum science and modern psychology, it gives you a mindset and tools to stay agile, build deep collaboration, and drive real results, even in the face of rapid change.
This isn't just another theoretical course. It's practical, experiential, and designed for experienced leaders who want to lead with clarity and confidence in complex times. Across 11 powerful lessons, you'll learn how to see and think differently, discover why all leadership models no longer fit today's world, and how to lead through possibility rather than certainty. See the system beneath the surface. Uncover the hidden rules of belonging, loyalty, and order that quietly shape every organization. Lead beyond fight or flight. Understand your nervous system under pressure so you can stay calm, focused, and connected even when challenges rise. Meet the system within. Recognize your inner parts and lead from your most grounded, authentic self. Create agile, self-organizing teams that adapt fast, innovate boldly, and thrive in uncertainty. Lead as a quantum manager. Stay present under pressure, hold paradoxes with agility, and use power to empower others. Engage people deeply. Activate the 4 human dimensions model to inspire energy, trust, and lasting motivation. Master relationships. Navigate conflict, give feedback that builds trust, and turn tension into alignment. Spark innovation through spacious leadership. Learn how to cultivate the right conditions for creativity, curiosity, and flow. And navigate workplace tensions. Bring everything together, transforming everyday challenges into opportunities for cooperation and growth. Our goal is simple: to help you lead with presence, agility, and relational intelligence. Whether you're managing teams, guiding transformation, or coaching others, quantum leadership gives you a new lens and a new language for what leadership can truly be.
We invite you to bring your whole self to this journey. This isn't just about learning, it's about way of being. You'll reflect, experiment, and practice ways of leading that will elevate not only your performance, but also your team's trust, creativity, and impact. So, if you're ready to explore new ways of leading with curiosity, courage, and authenticity, this course will help you turn insight into practice. Who are we? Hi, I'm Hagith Malul. I'm an organizational psychologist with over 2 decades of experience working with global and scale-up AI-driven companies. I've held executive roles across the business, from VP of HR to Head of Innovation to VP of Operations, including within a Fortune 500 organization, where I led large-scale transformation across teams and technologies. Today, I'm the CEO of Lead to Quantum, a consulting practice that helps organizations and leaders navigate complexity through quantum-inspired leadership. I'm passionate about translating deep theory into practical tools for change, and this course is one of them.
And I'm Shira Sholnan. My background is in psychotherapy, systemic coaching, and group facilitation. For over 20 years, I've helped individuals and teams grow, transform, and reconnect to what truly matters. Alongside my private practice in Sydney, I work with organizations to lead transformative processes, especially where human dynamics shape performance. My early years in marketing and project management taught me how complex systems behave. My work today focuses on helping people thrive inside these systems. Welcome to Quantum Leadership. Let's begin.